So previously we looked at how we could extend this 4mm seamless no-dot LED strip with a 0.5 meter tail and a micro male connector and extend the distance from the strip to the power supply. And we did this using a 2 meter male to female micro connector extension cable, which simply connects into one of these connections here, powering the strip. So the next question is, what lengths do these cables come in? And the answer is, they come in various different lengths. Including a 3 meter, a 4 meter, a 5 meter, a 10 meter, a 12 meter, and a 15 meter. Which, as you can see, still powers the LED strip, creating a 15 meter extension from the strip to the power supply.